guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sayana here, and today I'll be unboxing Gel Beads Hand.Spa, and I'm super excited, so let's get started. It comes with instructions, a unicorn air nail dryer, 3 nail polishes, reusable spa beads, and base plate. And the instructions it says to soak your gel beads to 3 to 4 hours or overnight. And also, you can work in a workstation or a bathtub. Let's add our water. The water level has to be about half of the bathtub or the workstation. Let's add our gel beads. For the unicorn nail dryer, you will need AA batteries. Soak each of your hands in the Gel Beads Hand.Spa for 20 minutes. After soaking your hands, you can work on the outer area like your cuticles. You're ready to paint your nails. I'm using this pretty glittery purple. Let me paint my nails. After you're done painting your nails, you can use your unicorn nail dryer to dry your nails, and you can turn it on right here. And you can feel some air coming from its mouth. Can you hear it? It's satisfying. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!